Melih Bulu is a Turkish academic and politician, who is the current rector of Boğaziçi University, having served as the Justice and Development Party's Sarıyer district president in 2002. Bulu was previously a candidate for nomination in the 2009 local election and the June 2015 general election. Bulu was appointed as the rector of Boğaziçi University by government decree on 1 January 2021. His appointment was controversial and subject to protests by hundreds of students, professors, and lecturers, and by NGOs. These protests occurred due to undemocratic nature of the appointment. The enactment that granted the right to appoint university rectors to Erdogan was given to him during a now abolished state of emergency in 2016. The nature of his appointment caused Melih Bulu to become known as Qayyum Rector. Prior to his position at Boğaziçi University, he was the rector of İstanbul University and Haluk University and held faculty positions at Istanbul Commerce University and Istanbul Siyah University. Melih Bulu was born on 15 August 1970 in Kırıkkale. He lives with his wife Yasemin and his son Furkan in Istanbul, Kavacık Beykoz. Melih Bulu graduated from the Industrial Engineering Department of Middle East Technical University. In 1992, he earned his master's degree in banking from the Department of Business Administration of Boğaziçi University in 1993. He also received his doctorate degree from Boğaziçi University in Business Administration in 2003. Bulu's master thesis advisor was Dr. Deniz Gökçe and his PhD thesis advisor was Dr. Güven Alpay. The electronic copy of his PhD dissertation is not posted at the Thesis Center of the Council of Higher Education of Turkey. After completing his undergraduate degree, Bulu worked as an engineer at two aerospace and defense companies, FMC Nurol, which manufactures armored personnel carriers for the defense industry, and at TUSAS, the maker of F-16 airplanes and attack military helicopters. While pursuing his graduate degrees, Bulu worked at various firms in the manufacturing and service industries including Procter & Gamble. Melih Bulu started his political career in the Social Democrat Party (CHP). He then was the youth lead for another liberal party during his college years. Only later, Bulu founded the Justice and Development Party Sarıyer branch in 2002. In 2009 he was a candidate of the mayoral election in Ataşehir, but was not nominated. In 2015, his internal party nomination as a candidate for the first electoral district in Istanbul failed. Bulu, who taught business strategy and game theory as a part-time faculty at Boğaziçi and Istanbul Commerce Universities between 2003 and 2010, started to work as a full-time academic since 2009. He received the title of Associate Professor in 2008 and Professor in 2016. Between 2010 and 2014, he worked as the head of Istanbul Siyah University Department of Business Administration. He served as the founding rector of İstanbul University in Istanbul between 2016 to 2019 and started to work as the rector of Haluk University in 2020. He is one of the founders of the International Competitiveness Research Agency in 2004. He first served as the agency general coordinator and was later appointed to the presidency of the agency board between 2017 to 2019. In 2021, with the president's decision, he was appointed as the rector of Boğaziçi University from a list of 9 candidates proposed by YÖK. Upon students reacting the decision for cameras being mandatory in exams, Melih Bulu supposedly responded to his students' tweets with a fake account, accusing them of cheating on exams when he was rector of Haluk University. And then he liked tweets sent by himself with his main account. After the detention of 4 students in January 2021, Bulu tweeted at 1 a.m. a tweet which contained homophobic speech. He erased the tweet some hours later. His work, Measuring Competitiveness of Cities, Turkish Experience, written in 2011, is allegedly copied from The Environment and The Entrepreneurial City, Searching for the Urban Sustainability Fix in Manchester and Leeds. According to Camurier's report, The part he quoted in his article was an exact copy of the summary part of the other article. In the same report, he was accused of plagiarism for his doctorate thesis as, despite citing sources, he had not complied with upper rules regarding quoting. Bulu dismissed the plagiarism allegations as slander. He talked about the allegations on Weiss Attis's program that aired on Haberturk TV on the 5th of January. 2021, the whole plagiarism allegations are a slander. There are literature sections in the first parts of these theses. Everything there is a quote from somewhere. I have quotes in my thesis as well. At the end, the sources were cited. All the issue is about not putting quotation marks around some quoted parts. That's the matter. This is not something after all. In our time, when I was writing these theses, we did not have any written instructions in front.